First of all, like stock ROM, you also have the OTA update support. So we are here going to talk about the custom ROM named as PixelOS and why it is better than the stock Android. For example, if you're a Pixel device user, why you have to try PixelOS if you're using any other device, because it's far better than the stock ROM in some cases. For example, it also brings you the OTA support like the stock one, where you can update your device through OTA update. And in this case, for example, in my case, I'm using PixelOS. It also supports OTA updates. So yes, you can update your device through OTA. I tried OTA update once and it was working fine. Secondly, the custom ROM brings you unlimited Google Photos backup, and this is very useful thing. A lot of devices, or basically in a lot of custom ROMs, you have this thing available, but basically in stock Android or stock, you don't have these kind of things. As you can see, this Pixel can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. This is actually so useful. In some of the custom ROMs, we have the option available, but in some custom ROMs, it's enabled by default. Third one is charging control is what you have in PixelOS. So you can enable the charging control, and in charging control, you also have some extra options for this one. For example, this is a custom charging control. So I can choose a starting time. I can also choose the target time to full charge, which is quite strange, but you also have some charging mods. So you can choose the charging limitation. So as you can see, limit charging to a certain percentage. According to this one, you can see battery will be charged to this certain percentage. It's also up to you in case you want to use this thing on a device or not. It's totally up to you. Or of course, automatic charging option or automatic charging control options are also present here. Another one is, which is not so much amazing in some cases, but it's still good because it's swipe to screenshot. If you are using custom OEM like MIUI, One UI, or maybe ColorOS, most of the devices you have swipe to screenshot available. But still, if you are a Pixel device user, this thing is not available. That is also one of the things which is quite good. Also, in the security and privacy settings in device unlock, you will see the enhanced pin privacy options which are available in the stock Android. But here at the bottom, you will see the quick unlock option and the scramble layout option, scramble pin layout, which is a very useful security related thing which you have to check it out. And also the power menu, allow accessing the power menu on secure lock screen. So even if your device is locked, you want to access your power menu, you can, or you can turn it off for privacy concerns or security related things. Another one is ignore Windows secure flags, which is of course so necessary in most of the cases, especially if you are into some banking apps or want to take a screenshot of that, because that's restricted by default. Anything can be used for illegal purposes, but most of the times, if you are mature enough, you know how to deal with these kind of things, this is a very useful thing where you can remove the screenshot and screen record limits for all the apps. Another one is in the notification section, you will find this Scanner heads up option. What this is, as you can see, show heads up only for calls and messages, alarms, reminders, and priority conversations. So for example, if you received any notification from WhatsApp, Telegram, etc., you will not get the heads up notification for that. In my personal opinion, I love this feature because I only need calls and messages heads up, nothing else. So you can do that in PixelOS in notification section. Also, you have the app cloning feature. Unfortunately, while making this video, Android 14 based default stock Android in Pixel devices, etc., you don't have the app cloning feature. I'm not talking about custom OEMs, for example, MIUI, One UI, etc. But in Google stock Android, you do not have the option to do so. But maybe in Android 15 these things might come, but for now in Android 14 it's not enabled by default, but this is actually useful in some cases. So all the features you can enable by installing PixelOS custom ROM without rooting your device. These were some major noticeable changes which I just wanted to let you know. Other than else, this is a stock Android kind of thing. You will not get major customizations like some other custom ROMs, but some useful things are present here. You have almost everything which is available in the stock Android in Google Pixel devices. So that's actually quite good. You have the AI wallpaper support, which is absolutely working fine here. I did not found any major issues here. Especially this is available in some of the devices. By the way, if you're a Pixel device user, unfortunately it's not present yet for your device, especially if you're a latest Pixel device user. But still you have a lot of stock Android based options available. So check them out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.